Just Mick here. I worked. You grab a tiger by its tail, it can still bite you.
Tom Clancy.
Pretty good Wi-Fi here at the pump track.
Bike check.
Running the S&M ATF 22-inch chassis frame. Got a nice set of pitchforks on it. Got the Mike Hoder pedals, Mike Hoder grips. Got the what are these Odyssey Springfield brakes? People don't love them. I love them. The Rent stem. What are my? Oh, these are fit cranks, 175 millimeters. They're running a 28-11 gear ratio. On the fit rims and hubs are the ones that come on the Complete. I'm not sure what they are. Cassette back. Got the Shadow half-link chain. Yep. Shadow half-link. Classic S&M seat, railed seat. Pretty nice. 10-inch bars.
Ting that fucking metal.
I don't have nothing to ting it.
Come on, man. Ting it.
Ting it.